Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will discuss this important question, integration of a raised to power x square into x dx. Okay, so in this question, this is an exponential form in which a raised to power x square. Okay, so let's suppose x square is equal to variable, another variable t, okay, and then take the derivative on both sides, 2x d of x, and this one is become dt. So this one x dx, so to multiply it becomes a divide when moved from left to right of this shape. And now put this value in this form. After substitution, this question is become a raised to power x square, which is equal to t, and this one x dx is equal to 1 over 2 dt. So 1 over 2 write as a constant, so it becomes outside the integral, and this it becomes a raised to power t dt. This is exponential function, so the integration of this one is 1 over 2 a raised to power t and divided by natural log of base, this one, and plus c, and finally a raised to power t and t is equal to x square, then the final result is a raised to power x square divided by ln of a, this one. So student, this is very short question, but this is very most important question of integration, in which the product of polynomial and exponential function. I hope so you understand this one. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.